This is a rare vintage Singer, model 66-16. Serial number is AG516061. It's from the only batch of 10,000 that was made in 1945. It was first batch post-war. Production was stopped after 1941. The machine's been completely rewired. Body's in good condition, does have some wear. There's some residual tape marks. I was afraid to ruining the finish, so I got most of it off. I'll show you the light works, passes the tap test, and I'll show you how well the machine stitches. I've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. There are a couple black side parts on this. The stitch length plate, the 2 screws for the nose and round plate, and also the pressure foot lift lever. And there you can see it's got equal stitch. Next I've got 4 layers of a thin leather, typically found on purses, skirts, I guess pants and jackets. There you can see equal stitch again. And then finally 4 layers of vinyl upholstery, which were already stitched once too. The stand the machine's in does not come with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes only. Come on, focus. It's a fun thing about autofocus. And there you can see it's better. And there you have it.